Hey, to cast a screen of your POCO F6 Pro to your TV, first of all on your TV and on your POCO, you have to be connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So that's how it looks in my case. I'm connected for this specific Wi-Fi network. And next, you will have to go into the settings, open more connectivity options, and you have to click for for the wireless, for the cast, of course. And now we have to click on this switcher to turn it on, and now our smartphone is searching for the nearby devices. So if you turn on your TV, you will be able to find it on the list, then simply click on it, and with your remote control you have to accept permission for connection on your TV, and after this you will be connected. Right here you can also find some other information that you can actually cast the screen and show its content in a floating window while using other apps. You can also turn off mobile device screen while casting to save the battery and avoid overheating. And you can also protect your privacy. So yeah, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.